Hi guys, today we are going to see how we have to write a biological science record for B.Ed. Come on, actually I'm going to show you the level 1 lesson plan. Level 1 we can choose the lessons either from 6th, 7th or 8th standard. Now the first page. Come on, let's see. Actually, we have to fill up a few details like the name of the school, which will be the school we have chosen for our training. Next, name of the student teacher, that is your name. Class or section and session, that is like now here I have chosen 8th standard, so I will be writing 8th. Name of your guide teacher, then subject, date, unit, topic and time duration. The time duration will be for 45 minutes. So we are going to start with the subheadings. The first one is instructional objectives. So we have to start like the pupil acquires the knowledge of different types of microorganisms. Differentiate different types of microorganisms based on their shape and occurrence. Describe the structure of viruses. List out the character of viruses, knows about the harmful effects of viruses, explain about virions, describe the structure of virions. Actually, instructional objectives you will have to put down about 6 to 7 points. Next subheading is instructional resources. Blackboard, chalk to show the structure of virus. Charts depicting different shapes of microorganisms, flashcard to show the structure of virions. In the next page, you will be writing the previous knowledge. So it starts like the teacher asks questions to the students to test their previous knowledge. So here you will be asking about some 6 to 7 questions according to your idea. So I will show you the examples. How do you call the organism that can't be seen with your naked eyes? Do you know about germs? Why do we clean our teeth every day? In which places can we find microbes? Are there good and bad microbes? What are some diseases caused by them? Are there microbes in our body? So here comes our main part in the next page. That is declaration of the topic, that is the lesson name microorganisms, and we have to subdivide as content, specification, learning experience and evaluation. So I have written as microorganisms are too small in size and can't be seen with naked eyes. They occur everywhere. So this is a definition I am giving them. I have written like the teacher defines the term microorganism. So what is the student doing? Listens. The student listens to the term microorganism. Evaluation will be define microorganism. Next, different types of microorganisms are virus, fungi, protozoa, bacteria and algae. So here the teacher is listing out. The teacher lists out the different types of microorganism. And what is the student doing? The student is analyzing. The student analyzes the different types. And evaluation part would be what are the categories, 5 categories of microorganisms. Next is I am going to explain the structure of virus. Contains DNA or RNA. Surrounding they have protein coat. Here the teacher is explaining. The teacher explains the structure of virus and the student understands. So here we can just show a neat picture of bacteriophage, and the evaluation would be draw the structure of virus. In the next page you can just draw an example of TMV, that is tobacco mosaic virus, and just we are moving on to the living character of virus. Response to heat, chemicals, radiations, reproduce inside host cells, shows irritability. The specification part is the teacher describes the living character of virus, and the student, what is the student doing? Identifying. The student identifies the living character of virus. Evaluation part is to what does the virus respond? Next, non-living character of virus are inactive, can be crystallized and stored for a long time. Here again the teacher is explaining. The teacher explains the harmful diseases caused by the virus. The student identifies the viral diseases. For evaluation we can ask, name some viral diseases in humans. Next, virions are entire virus particles. So here the teacher is describing the structure of virions. So she explains about the structure of virion completely and asking a question to evaluate it. Then she draws the structure of virion, and here you can write it as draws. The teacher draws the structure on the board. The student redraws the diagram in their notebook. Evaluation part will be draw the structure of virions. Coming to the last part, recapitulation. So, to recapture what the students have learnt, we are asking a few questions. What are microorganisms? What are the categories of microorganisms? Name some shapes of viruses. List out the living and non-living character of virus. Draw the structure of a virion. And we give up some follow-up activities. Write the 5 categories of microorganisms in your notebook. Draw the structure of a virion. And here goes signature of the guide teacher and signature of the student teacher, which will be your own sign. Hope you got an idea how to present a lesson plan. Thank you.